Welcome to the Model on Humanities. My name is Alexander Zidanšek and I come from Joseph Stefan International Postgraduate School. In today's unit, we are going to talk about adaptive learning using artificial intelligence. We all know that learning can be fun and it can be efficient and it can be much better if you use the help of the smart machines. Nowadays, there are many artificial intelligence algorithms that can help in your learning so that you learn better, faster, in a more fun, efficient way. And there are a lot of algorithms that are available for this help. Adaptive learning is also known as adaptive teaching, and this is a special approach to education using data analytics and machine learning so that teaching instructions are based on individual needs. The progress of each learner is monitored to optimize learning outcomes. And here, the role of AI is to monitor the teaching, the progress, both the content and the student, and is also tailor-making the content so that each student is engaged in the maximum possible way. This can be used with many different apps which are available today, and many more apps are being developed. So when we talk about adaptive learning, then it should be individualized. It uses machine learning and intelligent tutoring. Individualization means that the content and the delivery is adjusted to the needs and competences of each individual learner so that anybody can take the maximum advantage of these systems. Here, of course, machine learning is one of the possibilities of how to make these systems more and better adjusted to individual learner, and in this way make them more effective. Intelligent tutoring, for example, software has been used for the past 20 years and more. And Baker, for example, found that the biggest problem is gaming the system, because learners eventually learn how to game the system, avoid learning, and still get good outcome. So this is like one of the challenges that is being addressed in this intelligent tutoring. So if we talk about intelligent tutoring, then the important part is the curriculum sequences, intelligent solution analysis, and problem-solving support. Curriculum sequences mean that the curriculum has to be divided into appropriate parts and sequenced so that it best suits the needs and the current competencies of each learner. And here, a big advantage is that the system can actually solve difficult problems and also analyze the solution in order to make it very simple for the student to understand each part, each step, and in this way, the student can learn to solve difficult problems. So this is kind of a problem-solving support which assists the student to advance to the next level so that they can solve more difficult problems. So this learning process can actually be divided in many different steps. So here, what is important is both memory and fluency building, induction and refinement, and understanding and sense-making process. So this is actually the way the process was codified by Codinger et al. When we talk about memory and fluency building, that means that the system has to help the student with building the memory from the field of their expertise, and this system has to observe this and measure how good the student is building both the memory and fluency.